Welcome again to our bird series. In this part, we will explore more amazing birds, their incredible abilities and fascinating habits. Let's continue our journey into the wonderful world of birds. Crimson Rosella. The crimson rosella is a beautiful bird with bright red feathers and blue cheeks. It lives in forests and gardens, feeding on seeds, fruits, and nectar. Rosellas are lively, often seen hopping or flying quickly between trees. Their bright colors and playful behavior make them one of the most attractive birds to spot in the wild. Toucans. Toucans are large tropical birds with giant colorful beaks that look heavier than they really are. They eat fruits, insects, and sometimes small animals. Their big beaks help them reach food in hard-to-get places. Toucans are social and live in small groups, calling to each other with loud, unique sounds. Their bright colors and funny voices make them unforgettable. White cockatoo. White cockatoos are large birds with beautiful white feathers and a crest on their head that they can raise or lower. They are very intelligent and can mimic sounds or human words. Cockatoos are playful and social, living in groups in forests. They feed on seeds, nuts, fruits, and flowers, and their loud calls can be heard from far away. And that is the end of this part of our bird series. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing birds and their fascinating habits. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel JK Knowledge Climax so you won't miss the next part. Stay curious and see you in the next video.